What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how to clean out your faucet. It could be kitchen faucet as well as bathroom faucet. If you have a problem with your water where you turn it on, it kind of spits and sputters pretty much when it's coming out. Your problem that you're having is your aerator, which is down here pretty much, which sometimes can get clogged up with sand and little pebbles and stuff like that. So basically it's pretty simple to clean this. What you want to do is, I've took the faucet off so you can see what I'm doing very easy, is you basically just want to unscrew this off just like that. It'll screw off, and once you have this screwed off, inside of here is your aerator pretty much. And sometimes it can get like I said, can get rocks and pebbles and grains of sand inside of it. Alright, so once you take this part off, this right here is what you want to clean out. But normally what you'll have is like a little piece of rubber right here. You take like a knife or something and kind of just pop it up underneath there. Be careful with it, and that'll come out. And kind of remember which way that it goes in, so put it down the way you want to put it back in, like that. And once you've done that, what you want to do is, now you want to come to the bottom part. Normally your water will come out and kind of push up like that. And when you do that, this will come out right here, which is your aerator. A lot of times this right here will get clogged with pieces of, like I said, pebbles and grains of sand and stuff. And if you can see on this one, it has those little slits and stuff that's inside of it. Sometimes those can also get clogged with stuff pretty much. So you could go through first and kind of clean those little openings like that to make sure nothing's clogging it up. And once you have that, what you want to do now is pretty much go to the sink and kind of rinse that out. I'm going to do that now. Now once you pretty much have this out, what you could do now is you want to come in and kind of rinse it out really good. Make sure it's nice and clean. Yeah, rinsing it out. Alright, so now that I've pretty much cleaned out my aerator, now what I want to do is go ahead and reinstall it. And to do that, you want to remember that this part right here is going to face up basically towards you like this. So you want to drop it down inside of your, you want the fat part, the part that screws on, is going to face up towards you also, and this part will face up towards you. You just drop it back down inside of there like that. And once you've done that, you want to take your little rubber washer, put it back on top like that. And also it's a good time when you have this out, if you could see inside of this faucet how you got a calcium buildup and all type of, probably from hardware and all that's inside of here. Another thing you could do also to clean this off is take like some vinegar or something like that and kind of put it on here and clean this really good also, because this also can cause your water to come out weird or come out like super spraying or something like that. So when you have this off, I would say go ahead on also and clean this off also. But once you have this piece back in, all you have to do now with your aerator part, this is the housing, your aerator part that we took out. It's just now screw it back on just like that, nice and tight, and you should be good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you could deal with a problem with your faucet. If when you turn your water on, it kind of spits and sputters pretty much as if something's blocking the water from coming out. The problem you're probably having is a dirty aerator. Alright folks, please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.